And then here she goes. She is so cute, so simple, so elegant. She just screams like money vibes. Like you got to that money. Hey you guys, it's Dijanae here again. I am back with a brand new video. Now in this video I decided to show you a review of me opening a bag from this brand that I found on Instagram. I'm so excited to talk about this brand on my channel. This brand is actually Black owned. This brand has quality handbags. This brand is charging you a cute price for some cute bags, and that's all I ask for. If you're gonna charge me a cute price, can everything else be cute? But without further ado, let's talk about it. So I recently stumbled across the Instagram of a Black owned, I'm gonna say luxury, because I get luxury vibes when I look at these handbags. So I stumbled across a Black owned luxury handbag Instagram account, and it was by the name of Brandon Blackwood, New York. So I've been doing some research on Brandon Blackwood. He has been designing bags since 2015. Well, that's when he launched. He went to school for psychology, I believe. He felt that fashion was the ultimate dream for him, and I admire that from someone who loves fashion. I admire the fact that you went and chased your dreams. That's very good motivation for me, or anyone else who is just sitting over here trying to chase their dreams. That's so beautiful. He was featured in Vogue, Elle, Forbes, Glamour, Essence, Harper's Bazaar, and more, which I think is that is great credentials for you to have. So when I stumbled across this page, I looked at the different types of handbags that he had, and the first thing that popped in my head was like, oh, these girls are cute. I was like, these bags are cute. They were simple, colorful, elegant. They gave off luxury, and I love that. I love that about those bags. So I was like, oh my God, I need to buy me a bag, and I need to put this on my channel because I saw this and I was so excited. So I was like, you know, I want to share this with other people. So I went and bought me a bag. I had bought me the ESR tote. It was in black satin canvas. I think it retailed for like $80. So I was like, you know what, let me just get it because I am balling on a budget. So that $80 was like, okay, cool, I could get into that. I could pay for $80 right now. So the description of the bag says that it is a ESR tote in black satin canvas. Cute tote, big message. Yes, it is. It has a shoulder strap drop, and it features interior pocket and stamped Brandon Blackwood logo. So we're going to unbox this right now. And I opened the box already because I'm just nosy. And here's a card. I don't know if you can see it. Right? That's the card right there. And the card reads, thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I love designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. And let's take it out the box. Comes in this little cute bag. Says Brandon Blackwood, New York on it. Alright, so this is how the bag looks. She is so cute. Oh my gosh, she's so cute, so simple, so sweet. And it comes with a shoulder strap that you could put on. However, I don't really think I'm going to be using the shoulder strap. I like to wear it like this, but I can show you the shoulder strap right here. Just clip it to either side. This bag was created in 2020, I believe. And in 2020, we were all stuck and cooped in the house watching America do what America does best. There was a lot going on in 2020. I think Breonna Taylor it was either Breonna Taylor or George Floyd. I can't remember which one came first, but those were the main two that stuck out in my head. But the fact that there's, like, we've seen this problem happen multiple times. Breonna Taylor, George Floyd, Sandra Bland, Trayvon Martin, and the fact that there's so many more that you can name, but you forget because there's so much of this happening. It's disgusting, but it's quite America. unfortunately. And I think we all are getting to the point now where it's like we're not going to keep standing for this. So I loved when I saw this bag. I'm going to wear this bag at every function. I can manage to wear this bag so you can know what type time I'm on. To freedom! I love this bag. It's black, it's chic, and it has a great message to it, and I just think you guys should just go check it out. It comes in different colors, although it's not in stock right now because I believe that he didn't want to release it again because of how strong he felt about the message on this bag. But I guess that he saw that so many people missed out and they wanted this bag back, that he's going to bring it back in April of 2021. So I would just go follow his page and try to be updated about when he's going to actually release these bags, because if he does again, well, when he does again, I'm going to go back and I'm probably going to give me at least like 2 more colors. However, there are plenty of different items that he has on his page that are to die for. And girl, just buy you a bag. You know you want to buy the bag. So I'm going to end the video off on this. This video was not supposed to really be, you know, such a long video. It just was me showcasing a black designer, showcasing a purchase that I was so happy to get, and to just put you guys onto something that I think is great, like a brand that I think you guys should support. So if you guys like videos like this, please let me know. I'll continue to do reviews on the things that I buy. I'm a really good person to, you know, get a little bit of advice from when it comes to buying fashion. But yeah, so if you made it to this part of the video, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave my Instagram link down below. Also, I have a favor to ask of you guys. I'm going to leave a survey in my description box that I would highly appreciate if you guys would just go fill out. I need at least 500 people to fill out this survey. I need to figure out demographics for a project that I'm working on. It would mean the world to me if you guys would just go fill out this survey. This survey should only take you about 2 minutes. But with that being said, I hope you guys are staying safe in this pandemic. And please, please, please wear your mask, wash your hands. That's it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.